Hello everyone, this is Anuj from gadgetgig. Today we are going to do the review of one more ceiling fan, and this time we have with us the Polycab Eteri BLDC fan. So starting with the unboxing experience, here we have the box, and in the front of the box we have the picture of the fan, and it's a 1200mm ceiling fan. You get 2 years of warranty in this fan, and it comes in white, bianco and the luster brown color. And guys, here you can see that this fan comes with a 5-star energy saving rating. And here at this side of the box, we have the main features such as BLDC technology, wide voltage range, 60% energy saving, no performance drop at low voltage. You get the RF remote with this fan, noiseless motor, and it can efficiently work on inverter. And here we have the box for the blades, and as mentioned earlier, the sweep size of this fan is 1200mm. Now let's open the box and show you the content. So in the main box, first we have the down rod to mount the fan. And then we have the top and the bottom canopy with the Polycab branding on it. And then we have the user guide, and you also get a safety wire kit. And here we have the remote controller of the fan. And guys, the quality seems decent, and you get the power, eco, and then we have the speed from 1 to 6. And you also get the timer from 1 hour to 8 hour. And then finally we have the main motor of the fan. And again, I find the quality very good, and it's also very lightweight. And guys, in this fan, we have the BLDC motor, which stands for brushless DC motor. And with this, you will save up to 65% of electricity, which is around 1500 rupees per year. There is also this microcontroller, which is a black part on the top of this fan, which converts the AC current to DC current. And the microcontroller is usually not present in your regular fans. Now looking at the blades, we have the 1200mm blades in this model. And the quality of the blades and the finish looks very good. And you also get these small cutouts which you need to place in between the motor and blades while installing the blades. Installation process is really easy, and you can easily mount this fan by yourself or get the help of a local electrician. So our fan is now installed. Now let me show you the features of the remote and how it performs. So guys, this fan is noiseless, and you get very less noise from this fan. And even though it's running at full speed, the motor is not that noisy. Now about the features of the remote. So on the top we have the power button, and then we have the eco mode, which will help you to save electricity. Then we have the speed from 1 to 6. And guys, here I must tell you that the airthrow of the fan is very good, and the 1200mm sweep size is indeed working perfectly for this room. And again, I'm really impressed with the motor as it's working smoothly without any noise. Talking about the remote feature more, you also get the timer from 1 to 8 hours. And once you set the timer, the fan will automatically switch off. So overall, the Polycab Eteri BLDC fan offers a beautiful looking minimalist design which will look perfect in your home, and you can choose the color as per your choice. Performance wise, the fan performance is very good, and I personally find the remote feature very helpful. The motor is noiseless, and most importantly will save you money with its 5-star energy rating. The price of this BLDC fan is around Rs.2600, which in our opinion is a very good price for this fan, and I can say it's the best BLDC fan right now you can purchase under Rs.3000. And also you get 2 years of warranty on this fan, which makes it even a better deal. And as usual, if you like it and want to buy one, then do check the buy link in the description below. So that's it guys, this was the unboxing and review of the Polycab Eteri BLDC fan. Let us know if you like it, and also if you have any queries or questions about this fan, then do let us know in the comment section below. So that's all for now. If you like this video, then please press the like button and subscribe to our channel gadgetgig for more videos like this. Once again, this is Anuj signing off, and I'll see you in the next one.